Inserting Excel spreadsheet with link. If you already have a spreadsheet, you can either insert the spreadsheet, or insert it with link to file. If spreadsheet is linked to file, it will be updated in Word document when changes are done, or you can update it manually if changes are done in Excel without using Word. Click on Insert tab. Click on Object. Select Create from File. Browse to File. Scroll if needed to find File. Select File. Insert. Check mark Link to File. Click OK. Spreadsheet is inserted. Double-click on Spreadsheet. Microsoft Excel opens Spreadsheet. Double-click cell to modify value. Update with new value. Click File. Close. Excel asks to save file. Click Save. Value is updated. Right-click. Click on Update link, to update spreadsheet changes which were done in Excel. Open Excel. Click File. Click on the spreadsheet. Select cell. Update with new value. Click File. Close. Save. In Word, the spreadsheet is not updated, because the spreadsheet was updated outside of Word. It could have been updated or modified by you or another person. Right-click on Spreadsheet. Alternate method to update spreadsheet is, select Sheet, press F9, function key to update. Cell is updated with new value.